Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I am doing an exciting video. I am doing wish haul, £1 wish haul, $1, $2 wish haul. Over a month ago I decided I'm gonna do a little shopping, little haul from Wish. Just spend £1 each item I bought. Obviously with every single item I bought as well there was like a little shipping fee, like £1 or £2, and accordingly it was taking ages to come. Some of the items actually weren't too bad, they came over like 1 week or 2 weeks, but some of them actually, like, you know, took a while, just like it said. So I placed an order for 11 items and I think they're all from like different sellers, you know. So I have opened all of the little parcels just because I was really excited to see what's come already, and I just wanted to compare to my wish order list and see what I haven't received yet. So the first item that actually arrived was these little brushes. So they're like little mini brushes, they're really cute, but they're for like traveling I think, or for kids? I don't know. So let's just open them up. Oh, they're so cute. Very soft and looks very cute. I don't know if I will actually use them. I'll probably end up giving these to my little sister. For eyeshadow brushes, I think this is too soft. I prefer something a little bit more firm. I'll take them all out. This is like just packing on like a little brush. So you basically can pack on like eyeshadow on your eye. And I think this is supposed to be like either eyeliner brush or eyebrow brush. But again, I find it too soft. And, oh okay, I think this is eyeliner brush. This is tiny. Some eyeshadow brushes. A little bit more detailed stuff for your eyes. And like I mentioned, I bought 11 items and 2 of them, unfortunately, I won't be able to show you if they actually work just because they're like gel nail polishes. My sister, she owns like one of those gel nail polish, you know, UV machines, you know, where you can actually do your own gel nails. And so I was just a little bit curious because these 2 shades I picked, this is like a yellow shade and it's supposed to change color depending on the body temperature or your room temperature. So this was in the picture like yellow and orange. Unfortunately I won't be able to show you just because like I haven't done the nails. So there was another one that I picked as well. So it literally says here temperature gel, and I think this one actually was £2. The other one was £1. Can you see the colour? It's actually really cute. This one I really wanted to try out on my toenails or something. Yeah, so I'll put these on the side. Unfortunately I can't show you if they actually work, but I will let you know if they work because I'll do my toes like any day and I'll let you know if they work. So I think there were like 2 or 3 items I bought for £2. The rest of them I promise I bought for £1. One of them was a waist strainer, which was £2. I thought, wow, that's so cheap. Even on eBay, like you can get them for £10, £15, you know. But like proper waist strainers, they go up to like £40, £60, even more, depending on like a brand or which website you buy it from. And it's like a very thin material. Let's put it on.
Quiz Q, play that beat again.
Because I owned 2 waist trainers before and I bought mine only from eBay, but I can tell you straight away the difference. The ones from eBay, they were really like sucking everything in and it was like almost like hard to breathe, but this is too like flexible. It stretches out too much, so I don't see how it actually like work. Like I don't think it would work really. Maybe if you just wanted to wear this under the dress, it will do the trick. It will make your waist look smaller. Definitely it will suck everything in, but to the point where it's going to change anything in your body, I don't think it will happen. So I'm just going to take it off now. Okay, obviously because I was going on Wish and I thought, you know what, I want to get some fake eyelashes. And they literally had like these sets like of 10 pairs of falsies. So I bought these and then like I swear on the picture that they look way better. But yeah, again it was £1. So they're one of them ones that you can just take and cut depending how long your eyes are. So you can just adjust them and like, you know, cut them. And I guess I will do that now. So you can see there's some spare bits so that you're obviously supposed to cut off. Let's put some glue on. Actually don't look too bad. I don't find these bad at all. I actually think they're cute. These would be really nice and everyday as well. Yeah, so definitely like their false eyelashes. I wasn't expecting that as well. So another thing I bought. So I bought a set of face rings for my fingers. I just need to count how many I bought. I'm not too sure. So it comes as 13 rings. Okay, let's put them on. They're really cute. They're kind of tiny. Yeah, they're kind of tiny. They only fit me up to here. Okay, this one might go over, but I'm scared that it's gonna get stuck. Yeah, if it's gonna be a ring that's gonna get stuck on my finger, better be a nice one. Yeah, only thing is they're all very small. I don't remember if there was actually like an option if you could choose like a size. Yeah, so it says choose a size, but that means how many pieces you want. It doesn't mean like what size you want, small, medium, large. I'll put them all on. It doesn't look very nice just because, you know, I overcrowded them and they could only go on top of my fingers. Apart from this one obviously because it's just like hanging now. But literally these rings are going to be good for you if you have tiny fingers. When people point it out, oh, you have tiny fingers, oh, you have baby fingers, then they're going to be good for you. Honestly, I'm actually gutted because they're only £1 and I was hoping they would fit because they're actually kind of cool. Yeah, so just so you know, this is how they look like. And honestly, they're very small. Normally like rings come too big, but this time they just came small. Because I was buying all these things, I wanted to really look for something for like a piece of clothing that's only £1, and I actually found some. There's actually some little crop tops that you can get for £1. And this is what I bought, this little top. It's supposed to be size small. It was only £1. The material is stretchy, which is a good thing because it's like a little crop top and you have to put it over. So I'm gonna go and put it on now. So this is the little top that I bought for £1. You know what, this is actually quite nice, I can't lie. Like the material doesn't seem too bad because it's stretchy. It's not one of them cheap stiff materials that won't move. So maybe the only thing is like if like this strap, it's not adjustable, so for some people it might be too long, but I feel like for me it fits perfectly. These sort of tops you're probably gonna go to Forever 21 and you're gonna get them for like £5 to £8. I'll tell you how it's gonna be like after you wash it, what the material is gonna be like, but so far yeah, honestly nothing bad to say about this. I'm going to show you some piece of jewellery I bought. You know, like these little details look just like the picture. Only thing is, you know, this like chain, it looks kind of cheap. But the idea is the same. And let's put it on and see what this is like. I think it looks bad. It looks just like in the picture, just like like I said, the chain looks a little bit cheaper. My concern is that it would rip very easily, like if you would go out and like one movement, hands move, and it could be ripped. But yeah, looks nice. Probably not with this top, but I would wear it with something maybe black or like a dress if I would go out. This was one of the items I bought and it was actually £2 just because I was really curious. I never owned one. It's a bra. So basically it's one of those bras that sticks on your boobs and you can just like pull it together. It was so popular, like not even that long ago, probably like a couple months ago. Everyone was like showing these, it was like a big thing, and I still don't own one because I never really felt like a need. It was more like a trend for me. The colour I picked was nude. And this is what came. It came as pink, so a little bit misleading. Not that I'm very bothered, to be honest, but I'm not going to show you like full on everything. I'll just put this underneath the top and then I'll show you if it actually works. So as you can see, it's got this sticky part inside. I think as soon as you remove these, it's like sticky and then you can just, you know, put it on your boob. Okay, I started removing that plastic packaging, and what I noticed is this is so sticky. I think it will do the job. Okay, I've got it on, and honestly, like, it sticks to your skin and it's not moving, I'm telling you that. I'm still like just trying to get comfortable on that. Okay, I'll show you from the bottom, because there's these strings that you can pull, and I want to see if it actually works. Or let's just do that thing that everyone does where you just pull it. Does it give you that effect? Do you see anything change? I don't see much change. It is giving me a little bit of push up, you know, it's not like there's nothing, like just pancakes there. I don't know if it's actually reusable. I think the ones that you see online where everyone's like advertising them, they are reusable ones. I'm not entirely sure about the, sure you can use them more than one time. Anyway, I'm gonna put on my black top because I feel a little bit naked. I bought some sunglasses on Wish because they're £1. How can you not? How can you not? I think these are very like popular, like everyone's got these. And I'm sure my sister had exactly the same pair from like Primark, and they looked very nice. And I bought these, and look at these, they're actually really nice. So this is it, they actually feel like decent, you know, they're not light. When you put them on, ooh, this is what you get. I was thinking why they're slide enough if you put them on after a while. But basically one of the things that's supposed to hold them onto your nose came off. It's not even in the packaging, so I don't know where it is. So they came like this already without it, and it's not there. They do look nice, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna wear them. And honestly, I was just really curious about this. I don't know why I bought it, don't ask me. So they're supposed to be LED lashes, so they're literally supposed to glow in the dark. And I don't mean glow, they're like literally lights. Yeah, I thought, okay, let me try them. Is that real? Maybe Chinese people, that's what they have. They're very futuristic, aren't they? And I picked like a light blue color. I'm honestly a little bit scared to put them on. I don't want to get like electric shock. I'm scared. Okay, let me do this first and touch it with a finger, see if it electrocutes me. No, I think we're safe. Okay, it comes with a little clip, so I'm guessing this part you can clip in somewhere, so there's little stickers as well, maybe you can... I was so confused, but all I had to do was just look at the packaging. As you can see, we have this sticker here, and if you look closely, there's these like little sticky lines, which are meant to be for the LED lash lights. I really struggle, but I got one sticky tape. And I'm really curious to try it out, so I will go through the pain and I will put it on. I'm dedicated. This is the best I could do. And I got the other one and I kind of ripped it. Honestly, this is a pain. The things girls have to go through to look pretty. I'm gonna clip that one in so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, it should be secure now. And now I'm gonna glue them on. Okay, one big. I know. I'm just gonna leave it to that. I look like a joke. You have like a little controller, you can control it. Yeah guys, this was my Wish haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, I wasn't too disappointed with this haul just because like everything was so cheap. It was £1. I don't feel like, you know, I lost like a lot of money or anything. The only thing is you just have to wait for shipping. So really, I think it's like a hit or miss, like with these little things. Even with the bra, like I ordered a nude and it came pink. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, because you know, you don't want to miss anything like this. I'll see you in my next video guys. Ciao!